Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the uninstall now. Sign in with an admin account so the removal has permission. Close all Office apps and save your work. This prevents file locks and data loss. If you use custom templates or Outlook signatures, export or copy them to a safe folder because the uninstaller removes user files. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, then Apps and Features. You'll find Microsoft Office listed. Select it to reveal the Uninstall option and proceed to remove the program. You'll follow on-screen prompts, confirm the uninstall and allow the process to run. Some components uninstall faster than others, so be patient. If Windows settings doesn't work, open Control Panel Programs and Features and uninstall from there, or download Microsoft's Support and Recovery Assistant to force remove residual elements. After the uninstaller finishes, check Program Files and Program Files, x86, for leftover Office folders and delete them manually if needed. Make sure to restart your computer to finalize registry and file cleanup. You should confirm Office is gone by checking the Start menu and searching for Word or Outlook. Absence means a full uninstall. If you plan to reinstall, use the official installer. Otherwise, run an offline cleanup tool to remove license remnants. If activation or file association issues remain, try running the repair option from Programs and Features before reinstalling. If the uninstall failed or you see errors, run the Microsoft Support Cleanup tool as an administrator. This resolves common leftover registry keys and service entries so you can complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.